In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook profile picture, ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, for you to be able to change your Facebook profile picture, what you're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your Facebook, right? Once you're on Facebook, you're going to click on your profile, right? So once you've clicked on your profile, you'll be displayed with this. What you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this, right? Then you'll be asked to select the profile picture. You're going to click on the upload, right? So I can just select this image if I want to select it and use it as my profile picture, but this is basically a tutorial video. So I think this is basically how you can change your profile picture on Facebook if you want to change it, right? If you don't have a profile picture, you can add a profile picture for yourself with what I just showed you, or if you want to change yours, it's pretty easy as well. Thank you guys for watching through this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.